Hey guys, Josh RV Nerd here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, and today I'm bringing you an announcement that I'm pretty pumped for. I think this is going to be pretty cool and a pretty big deal, especially in southern and western states. And that is that once again, Montana has positioned themselves ahead of just about everybody in yet another way. They continue to be the brand everyone's chasing. It's probably why they've been the #1 selling luxury fifth wheel for 17 consecutive years. Wow. And they're the #1 best-selling fifth wheel on the market today. And I think it's because of things like this. Not only are they roof mount solar prepped, but you can get a 265 watt solar panel built onto one of these suckers right from the factory level. And that is awesome. That is potentially more than 3 times larger than one of those fold open suitcase style solar systems. Mr. Haylett just got one on his own personal Montana demo. Our owner, Mr. Haylett, camps in Montana. That should tell you something about our confidence level in the brand here at Haylett RV. The guy who sits in the office next to me, and you can't see where he is, doesn't matter, I don't know why I'm pointing, but you get the point. The guy who could choose anything he wants, whose name is literally the business, chooses Montana. That should tell you something. So, I got to play with it, and it was fun. It was really easy to catch that solar bug. Granted, it's a lot more fun when it's someone else's money paying for the thing, but neither here nor there. So what can this thing do? Well, the panel's huge. Like I said, it's 265 watts, catches all kinds of rays. It's got a live update monitor inside, so you can keep an idea on how much power is coming in. It's got a built-in power controller, so you're not over-juicing anything. Obviously, it's providing 12-volt power to your batteries. But, this is the cool part. It also comes with a 2,000 watt inverter, which is more than double of what you usually get in most towable RVs, with precious few exceptions. And that allows you to do some neat things. It can run the refrigerator for starters, but it can also run your living room HD TV, and then it can power the 2 bedside outlets in your bedroom. So this thing has 4 hot 110 residential plugs in it. And that is good news for you CPAP users at home with your Darth Vader Bane mask breathing at night. Because what that means, guys, is that if you're a CPAP user and you camp in Montana, you're not gonna die. And that's good news. So here's what I kind of need from you folks. Of course it's fun, of course it's neat, of course if money's not an object, of course you want it. But one of the reasons I think a lot of people tune into these videos is that I'm very transparent and very real world about things. It is not the least expensive option you can apply to an RV. And kind of like an integrated generator from the factory level, it's something that you're probably not going to find all over the place with the exception of certain specific climates. So here's my assignment for you folks and my request and help me help you Jerry Maguire sort of moment. The MSRP, the full retail cost of this feature is $2,250. Now, we're not idiots at Haylett RV, and we don't charge full retail at Haylett RV. Take one look at our website and you can see we clearly publish prices. So you're not paying necessarily a full $2,200, but the point is, it's not an inexpensive option. So my question to you folks, please leave me some feedback in the video description. I would really like to know, yes, I think it's worth it and I would pay the extra money, or no, for that kind of money, I don't think I need it that badly. I would really like input from you folks, and that's really going to help us shape how we build our inventory for you moving forward, because we want to have the RV that's right for you, not the one that we just want to sell, but the one that you're actually excited about purchasing. I don't want you to have to settle. I want it right, and I want it right out of the box. So here's the information. Now I need a little bit of help back, and maybe together we can make this thing work even better than it's ever worked before. So with that, take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy camping, everyone.